A sample, a sample. Let's go. All right, all right. Americans eat 15 billion quarts of popcorn every year. Is that wild? That means 45 quarts per person every year is consumed, which is enough to fill the Empire State Building 18 times. Is that wild? It really is. Also, Illinois, the popcorn capital of the world. Shout out Illinois. Also, the majority of popcorn is eaten at home, 70%. Is that wild? You would imagine that movie theaters, consume the most. But that just tells you how much people actually eat at their houses. All right. I'll stop talking so you can listen to the pop. Three, two, one, bang! I gotta hit him with another one. DJ Popcorn, we the best popcorn. Just got done making some classic salty, which means that's 3 ingredients: corn oil, salt. Oh. No way you made it this far in the video. You're still not following your boy? Come on, hit the button. A sample, a sample, a sample, a sample. Let's go.
Thank you.
All right. That's the salt, y'all. That's the salt. Get after it today. I love my job. Thanks for being here, y'all.